Hey guys, what's freaking cooking? I can tell you what's cooking tonight on the Kitchen Daddy Show. As I said before, we got some Alaskan king crab legs here that I'm about to do real quick for you. They're all ready. I cut them in half for you. Now all I gotta do is put a split in them. I'm gonna put some butter in it. Okay, we got some butter. We got some parsley. We got some garlic. We got some Old Bay, and we got some lemon here that we'll squeeze in it. But once again, those are the ingredients we're gonna do, and I'm gonna show you how to cut these things open and put the butter inside of it. When I be right back, I'm gonna show you that. Hey guys, I'm back now. As I say, I got these Alaskan king crab legs here, and these are pretty thick. What you wanna do is take a pair of scissors, kitchen scissors if you want, cut right down here. Open them up. Be careful, do not cut your fingers. I open them up like this, where you can see the meat in right there. Got that meat open like that. I pop it open a little bit. I hold it open. I take my butter. All you're gonna do, guys, is put that butter on the inside. Just make sure you put that butter, that garlic, that basil on the inside like that. Boom. I take my little lemon, guys. I squeeze back here. That tend to be a little fishy. Put a little lemon back there. Once again, put some butter all over it. We got to this point, I cut all of them open. The last thing we'll finish up is, I have a little brush here, and I'm just gonna brush it on. Just gonna take it, I'm just gonna brush it on. Just like this. Make sure it's all, just the butter sauce is all over them, so we won't miss anything. So, very simple. Just make sure you just get the juice on everything, because we're gonna bake this on 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. So just make sure you got the sauce all over it, like that. You'll check it. You got your lemon, your last of your lemon. Just take your lemon, just go over it. Take some of the fishiness out of the taste there. And just for presentation, I'm gonna go over it once again with some basil. Make it look real pretty for you guys, just for presentation. And there you go. Those are your crab legs. We're going there for about 350 degrees, about 40 minutes, and we're gonna bake them in the oven. And there you go, very simple, guys. Hey guys, it's been about 40 minutes now, so let's see how the crab legs came out. One thing I failed to mention also, you wanna cover your crab legs with aluminum foil to keep the steam inside the crab legs when you bake them. But look at these crab legs, baby. Look at these crab legs. Can you guys see this? I wish you guys were here with me. You can smell these things. They're all buttered up, they're seasoned up, they look good, they smell good, and hopefully they're gonna taste delicious. And I don't mean to use that word hopefully, because I know, because this is the real Kitchen Daddy, they will taste delicious. You can see the steam coming off of them. Like I said, folks, a very easy and quick recipe if you want to do your king crab legs. You don't need that many ingredients. I'll put it in my details, but I'm ready to eat. So I'm gonna cut this short. If you like what I did tonight, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. And the only thing I'm gonna say, guys, bon appetit.